No, 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 this cannot be. You'll never know who I am. Ways to make you see. It's not that love has failed me. Ways to make you see. It's not that love has failed me. Do you touch her like you touch me? Do you corrode her like you corrode me? Ways to make you see. It's not that love has failed me. Ways to make you see. It's not that love has failed me.
Anyway, I can try anything, it's the same circle leading to nowhere. And I'm tired now anyway, I've lost my face, my dignity, my look, everything is gone. And I'm tired now, don't be scared. I found a good job and I go to work every day on my own bicycle you loved. I am piling up some unread books under my bed, and I really think I'll never read again. No concentration, just a wide disorder everywhere around me. No, I'm so tired now, don't worry. I often go to dinners and parties with some old friends who care for me, take me back home and stay. Monochrome clothes, monochrome walls, only absence near me. Nothing but silence around me. Monochrome flat, monochrome life, only absence near me. Nothing but silence around me. Sometimes I search an event or something to remind me, but I've really got nothing in mind. Sometimes I open the windows and listen people